Hi everyone, this is Anshul Mahajan and I take care of Media Design University of Applied Sciences. And through Join in Campus, I get a chance to connect with you all guys and for this university. And this university is doing really good with this Southeast Asia market, and it's just our second intake. So we are really wanting your support to, get numbers for the university. So I am sharing my screen with you for better understanding of the university. Okay, so the university name is MDH. It is Media Design University of Applied Sciences, and in Germany we call it Media Design Hochschule. That is Media Design University of Applied Sciences. University is based in Germany, Berlin, and these days Germany is keeping quite a good hype because people came to know that Germany is a country like Canada or Australia or USA, like which Germany somehow didn't get that hype in previous years. So I can tell you few points, which you can correlate with Germany, that Germany gave students 18 months of visa grant for job search upon graduation, and it is the strongest economy in Europe. So that's the best part. When a student goes there, he looks for the job opportunities and for startup. So Germany hold this position, it has the strongest economy in Europe. And the third most important part is the reasonable living expenses. So in Berlin, you can say that might be few rumors are going around that it become uh, quite pricey these days, but no. The in term when we talk about the living expenses like rent, so Germany is quite reasonable. Recently, one of our student get accommodation in 350 euros. So it totally depends upon the student where he wants to go for. And plus student will get 29 other countries visa as well, as Germany is a Schengen country, so student will get a 29 other countries visa as well. So when we talk about German higher education statistics, so in previous years it got a brilliant height, and the reason for is that uh, there's a basic reason that if you talk about the range of education cost, career, and quality of life factors, so across 30 European destination, that is the best one. And the employment rate of the university graduates in Europe is the highest. So this is the best part. And when we talk about a PR and citizenship, see, when a student goes there, they most probably look for a PR or citizenship option. So sorry, so they look for PR and citizenship option. So yes, it is available with Germany. After 3 years, student is directly eligible to PR, and after 5 years of staying there, student is directly eligible for the citizenship. And there is a norm as well in Germany. Like if you have a particular salary amount, then you're directly eligible to the green card of Germany. Now, when we talk about Berlin, it is most popular destination among students. So when we talk about the most popular destination, the reason is all new startups are there, and it is ranked sixth in 30 best student cities. Plus, cost of living is quite low, accommodation is affordable, English is the widely spoken language in Berlin. Plus, student can easily find a part-time and full-time jobs because hangout places are there, new startups are there, companies are there. So student can easily find a job there. Now, when we talk about the expenses, it totally depends upon the student how they prefer to do it. Like when we talk about the rent, it starts from 450 euros and it goes till 1500 euros. When we talk about 1500 euros, it means like a penthouse and a single accommodation. So it totally depends upon the student. It somewhere cost him around 1000 euros to 2000 euros when we talk about the cost of living. Now, when we talk about MDH, it is a state recognized private university, and it is 35-year-old university, and it is located in the heart of Berlin. We are not on the corner of Berlin or like that. No, we are in the center of Berlin, and we are state accredited private university. And the best part is, I'm not saying that MDH is number one university. No, MDH is the one university who is number one for game designing program. MDH is the first university who launched game design program in Germany in bachelor's. So This is the best part, the best selling point for MDH. We can say that we have that proper facilities for students as well. Like if you see the accreditations of the university is from Ziva, WR, number one game design. We have different awards and BE Berlin as well. And if you can see this blue logo, it is like 35 years in it, 35 years in education, first game designing bachelor degree program in Germany at MDH since 2005. So, you can totally understand this thing. Now, when we talk about why, student need to study in MDH, the reason is, if you talk about, if a student goes out of India, student looks for some exposure, different community people, but some schools doesn't have that. When we talk about MDH, so yes, we are particularly focusing on European market. We just started doing, it's a second intake in India market, and now we are going towards the third one. So we have this Indian capacity of students who can enroll in MDH is quite low. So if you talk about current situation, it's like 11% we just have non-EU students and 89% EU nations. So when we talk about non-EU, it not means India, Philippines, Vietnam, Sri Lanka market as well. So it's like just 11% is non-EU students. So student can get a very good exposure when we talk about this thing. Few glimpse of a campus. Campus is quite beautiful. If you want, I can share the campus tour as well. The campus is quite beautiful, and we have all the facilities, green rooms, VFX rooms, especially students who wants to have an interest in game designing. We have the proper game rooms as well. Okay, so we have our program portfolio. So we have the programs for bachelor's as well as for master students. When we talk about the bachelor one, we have different programs like related to film designing, media design, game design, fashion management. And the best part is the duration of the program. It is just for 3.5 years, that is 7 semesters. Now, when we talk about 3.5 years, that means student is going to study there for 3 years, and the 5th semester is just, this internship. So student is just going to study there for 3 years, and 5th semester is for internship. When we talk about 3 years, whether it is with foundation or without foundation, student is going to study there for 3 years only. We have 2 intakes, that is October one and the April one. Now we are currently focusing for April 25 intake, but if a student has the APS done and all those things, so we can enroll the student for October 24 intake. We have our own online classes as well. Till student didn't receive the visa, student can pursue with the online classes, and once he can receive the visa, student can fly. We are giving this privilege to the October intake students. If student has the APS, or if there is by any default student visa got refused, we though can welcome those students till now. And majorly we are focusing on our April 25 intake. So when we talk about the academic qualification of the students, it's 50%. English level, we are accepting IELTS, PT and TOEFL. Other tests as well, we are accepting like Duolingo, and we are giving offers on the basis of MOI. But yes, eventually, when we talk about the embassy point of view, IELTS, TOEFL and PT, through which we are receiving the visas. So when we talk about IELTS, the English requirement is 5.5. And all the tests are equivalent to 5.5. We are accepting like TOEFL, PT, anything equivalent to 5.5, we are accepting that. And we are just looking for overall band scores like 5.5. Now, whether the student program is with foundation or without foundation, student is going to study there for 3.5 years. And the tuition fees of the program is somewhere around 13,400 euros. So if any student comes through join in campus, then student will get a direct scholarship of 20%. That is, fees would come around 11,000 euros. So by default, any student will get a scholarship of 20%. The fees would be 11,000 euros. So there are 2 scholarships going on. That is, one is 20%, another one is 33%. So 20% scholarship is by default any student will get. And when we talk about 33% of scholarship, so that is if a student scored 6.5 in IELTS or equivalent to any other English proficiency test like PT, IELTS, Duolingo, 6.5, student is eligible for 33% of scholarship, plus there is a university interview. So student is eligible for 33% of scholarship. The fees would come around 9,000 euros. So we have the program is BA Digital Film Designing. This program is related to film designing and VFX, cameras, then media designing. BSc Game Design, as I already mentioned, this is related to game designing program. Then BA Fashion Management. So when we talk about BA Fashion Management, this program is not related to fashion designing. So we got quite hyped these days for this program of BA Fashion Management. This program is somewhere related to merchandising, import and export, and then branding. So we have this very good companies who onboarded students from fashion management. We have LV, Gucci, Hermes, Tommy, who take the students for this program of fashion management. Then we have a program of BA Media Management. So when we talk about this program of media management, then this program is related to business and communication, not anything related to media. Student is going to study business and communication. So any student from business background can go to this program of media management. Then we have BSc IT with the specialization of web application and software development, networking engineering and cyber security. The requirements, the fee structure is same for all the bachelor programs. Fees would be 11,000 euros or either 9,000 euros. Requirement is 5.5. Academic qualification is 50%. Intakes are October and April. And duration, I told you, 3.5 years. For BSc IT, it's 3 years. And for masters, we have 3 programs, that is MA Design Management, MA Digital Leadership and MA Design. In MA Design, we have 2 specialization, that is Design and IT and Art and Culture. So when we talk about the duration, it is 1.5 years and 2 years. So if a student completed his bachelor's in 4 years, then student is eligible for 1.5 years of studies, and student completed his graduation in 3 years, student is eligible for 2 years of bachelor, 2 years of PG program. So October and April intake, IELTS same 5.5, 50%, IELTS 5.5, we are accepting PT, TOEFL and Duolingo as well here. And the fee structure is 12,600 euros, but by default student will get a scholarship. Fees would be 10,080 euros. And if a student get 33% of scholarship, it somewhere come around 8,000 euros. So this MA Digital Leadership program is the most selling program for our portfolio, because the reason is this program is somewhere equivalent to the MBA program, where student from any background can apply to this program. We don't require work experience, we don't require portfolio. We just require portfolio in our 2 programs, that is BA Digital Film Design and BA Media Design. Plus, we are not looking for a particular portfolio. Any artwork, any photograph can work for us. We are not looking for any particular, portfolios that we do. We do require that? No, we don't. Now, when we talk about the initial deposit, so the initial deposit is 1,000 euros. Rest student can pay once the file is ready and student is waiting for the appointment. Rest student can pay at that point of time, but the initial deposit is 1,000 euros. Now, when we talk about the refund policy, so in which circumstances we are going to refund the student is that once if a university is unable to provide the academic documents of the program, which won't be happening. And second is the visa refusal. If the applicant got the visa refusal and he submitted to the university within 30 days of receiving the official document, we refund the amount. And last case is if there is any serious personal injury happened to the student or the close family member, or a death of a close family member like partner or parents or kids, in that case only we refund the money with the proper proof, and the minus administrative fees of 250 euros. 250 euros we will deduct. Now, when we talk about the application process, you're going to submit the application, and once you will submit the application, in that scenario, I will take forward your documents to the international team. International team will email the student regarding the short interview of 7 to 8 minutes, whatever you have written in the portfolio or whatever you have written in the motivation letter, that is why you are coming to Germany, why particularly this course in the introduction. That's it, and immediately we issue the offer letter. And once the offer letter is issued, student is going to pay the initial deposit. Student is going to pay the initial deposit and sign the study contract. And once it is done, we issue the enrollment letter to the student. And we can give the supporting letter to the student as well, that we took the interview and student is performing well, student can speak English. So with that, it might use as a supporting document if you want. So these are be it like curriculum of all the courses which we have. Like I was telling you, we have this internship program in the 5th semester. So now when we talk about the jobs after in between, like the internship or the jobs which we can help with the students. So with this program, of this BA Digital Film Design, our students work with Game of Thrones, Jurassic World, Charlie Angels. We have a good portfolio. We have 6,000 plus partners who are onboarded with us, who can help students to get jobs. And we can totally, we have our own job portal through which we can help students to get through big these, get job in these big companies. We have Marvel, Dr. D, HBO, all these big names with us. Now, when we talk about game design, so yes, we have this big companies like Apple, Google, Meta, LinkedIn. Now I want to show you one program, this media management, which I was discussing with you, that maybe name suggests something different, but this program is related to business. Like if you can see the curriculum, it is like general business studies, financial management, creative and media industries, digital media technologies, marketing and brand management, project management. So all this program is related to business only. And the best part is people generally say that Germany is the best destination to do the media management program. And the salary is 44,000 euros. And the companies are Apple, Intel, Yahoo, Amazon, Marriott. So big names. Fashion management. Fashion management is the biggest attraction these days because a lot of fashion influencers are there in the market. So we have this fashion, culture, history, textile technology, and if you see this is fashion entrepreneurship, production and logistics, financial management. So this course is neither to do with fashion designing, all related to the management. Like you can see the development design, project management, then sales management. So all these things. We have onboarded partner with us is like Armani, L'Oreal, LV, Hermes, Boss, Bulgari, Puma. Then when we talk about the the master programs, MA Design Management, this program is related to management only. This is, if you can see, the marketing and brand management, innovation and chain management. Plus in the last semester, it's more like a master thesis. Now I was telling you about the program of MA Digital Leadership. So if you see this program, the leadership in art, strategic management, conception and production, then innovation and chain management. So marketing and brand management study module for the elective. I mean, like this program is quite equivalent to MBA. So any student you feel like that, wants to go for a double masters or didn't have the relevant subjects, so you can opt for this program of MA Digital Leadership. So we have few of our achievements, which you can see we won a lot of awards for game. Few testimonials of the students who are quite happy with our services, the programs, the university, and plus the students who got the jobs from the university portal itself. We have our own career counseling cells where we help the student to build a resume, to get a job, or if he finds any problem in the job. So we have this career cell as well. And I was mentioning, if you can see that we have our own job board, so where we help the students to get the jobs. And the scholarship I already mentioned. So this is all from my side. I think I cleared every point. So if you have any doubts, please let me know. I'm open for Q&A. Okay, is German language mandatory to study bachelor's in German? No. So we have three campuses though. Like we have a campus in Dusseldorf and Munich as well, but those campuses are German taught campuses. We just have one campus which is English taught, and that is in Berlin. Okay, so for transferring the money in block account, so we have like a list of seven partners which you can say who generally have this method to transfer the money in block account and for insurance and all those things. So you can go for that. For visa, TOEFL and PT, yes, for visa, TOEFL and PT are accepted. If you see for the embassy website, only IELTS and TOEFL is the mandatory test which they have written in German embassy that it would be acceptable for the visa purpose. But yes, we are getting visas on PT as well. Can, can a student get into bachelor? Yes, student can get into the bachelor's after 12 years of education because as German government says you need a 13 years of education, but with us we have the foundation programs where a student with 12 years of education can pursue there, and we are not charging high amount like when we talk about with or without foundation, it is here just a difference of 20 euros. So it is 11,000 euros and 10,080 euros for without foundation and 11,000 for with foundation. Senior secondary plus no. So after 12, after 10th, 3 years of diploma is not accepted. NABIN won't accept it. So your APS won't come. I'll share a lot of you guys are asking for PPT. I'll share it with Deepa and she'll share it among it with you guys. Is there any age limit for UG and PGC? University doesn't have any problem with the age limit, but yes, when we talk about embassy, what scenario which we can observe is that generally for UG students, somewhere around 26, 27, where we can see the visas, and for PG, it's somewhere around 37, 38, where we can see the visa results. Okay, so degree program is mandatory to get into the bachelor's, and no, it's not mandatory. If a student, for example, if a student did his 12th and after that student is having 1 year of diploma, then student can directly go to without foundation program. But if student is just did his plus two and want to go ahead, so student needs to go for a with foundation program only because German wants 13 years of education. So if a student is just having 12 years of education, student needs to do the with foundation program, but with foundation doesn't increase the amount, and plus with foundation program doesn't increase the length of the duration of the program as well. What is the visa success rate for Indian students? Okay, so when we talk about the visa success rate, it is going quite good these days. We are getting the visas. Yes, appointments are the challenge, but though we are getting it somehow, students are on waiting, but yeah, VFS are giving them the call, so we are getting it. Plus, we are state accredited university, so APS is the compulsory thing for us. How much amount should shown on the block account? Okay, so block account will be same whether it's for UG student or PG student.
Sahila, can you please accept the session?
Uh, I can't hear you again. Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you please pardon me? How many Indian students? Okay, how many Indian students are there in the university? So, when if we talk about this intake, so we enrolled somehow like it was to all the students reached there. Students have we started with, as I already mentioned, we started with the online classes because delay in the appointments and all those things. So for Indian students quota, we have this 200 and 230 seats for Indian students. Is nursery accepted for 13? I'm not sure about nursery, but I guess it is. It doesn't consider as like this. 12 years means 12th. We have 12 years of education. Being an Indian, we just have 12 years of education. Is APS compulsory? Yes, APS is compulsory for us. We need an APS. How many days it will get it will to get the APS? Okay, so the thing is that once, see, the turnaround time for APS depends on student to student, I guess these days, but generally it is like 25 to 35 days. And once student pay the initial deposit of 1,000 euros, being a university, we directly email to the APS director to get this APS thing done quickly. We are trying to get the APS as quickly as we want, and the best part is that we're getting rewards from the APS. And how many accepted for UG and PG? How many accepted for UG and PG? I'm not sure that what exactly accepted. How many percentage? If you're asking, then it is 50%. Can ECE student get into design? Yes, student can go to the program depending if he has the interest for the program. How many backlogs it will accept? So Germany doesn't have a problem with the backlogs. How many education gap for UG and PG? As I already mentioned, 25 to 35 years of a student, 25 to 28 years of a student can apply for a UG program, and for PG, yes, it is 35 to 38. How many? Is it in? No, there is no application fees. What is the TAT? So TAT is somewhere around 3 to 4 days in which we issue the offer letter. Irrespective, it should be working 3 to 4 working days. Secondary fees as a show? No, you don't need to. Oh, sorry, the question is it needed to show the secondary fees as a show money? No, it is not required. Is German language certificate required for successful visa? No, it's not like that. Will you issue the conditional offer letter? Yes, we can issue the conditional offer letters as well. Is there anything you guys want to ask? Okay, after UG, how many years student will get a PSW? Whether it is UG or PG, student will get a post-study work permit for 18 months. Is 50% accepted? Yes, 50% is acceptable. We are taking students on 50% with IELTS 5.5. Do we need to pay tuition fees? Yes. As per German embassy, you need to pay the whole 1 year tuition fees, but initial deposit is 1,000 euros. So till then, student APS will come and all the block account formalities and all other formalities you complete. After that, student can pay the whole 1 year tuition fees. But before applying to the documents, you need to pay the whole 1 year fees. Is campus accommodation available? No, we don't have the accommodation, but we are helping students to get the accommodation at very reasonable prices. Is there any placement in university? Yes, as I already mentioned, university is quite strong with the placement. We have our own 6,000 plus partners. That includes Apple, LinkedIn, Yahoo, and all those big names. And we have our own job portal as well. We have the job portal for the alumni as well, that if they start their own startups, they can take the students from the university for part-time jobs and all those things. So we are quite strong with our placement things. 6,000 plus partners is a big game to go for. And for the internships as well, we are giving internships to the students in a very good companies. After UG, how many years of student will get a PSW? Okay, so it is 18 months. How many hours student allowed to work for part-time? It is 20 hours per week student is allowed to work part-time. One of my student doing business in Latvia, and he wants to study in France, but he's just 48 years. Is he eligible? Okay, so Kiran, your student, if you can send over the document so I can study once what exactly he is doing. So after that, we can totally look for the options.
And Kiran Kumar Gandhi, like you can connect your partner relationship manager and join campus. In case of any queries or
Possible to
get
apply
the
for
chance.
dependent visas. Yes, a dependent visa, you guys can apply after 3 months.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Angel. Is it okay now?
Not so good, but yes, I can try.
I was just saying that we can end the session now. And if any further questions are there, the agent can reach out the counselors. I thought it's, but I will be waiting for the presentation to share with the participants.
Okay, I'll share the presentation with you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact to the concerned team members, and you guys can contact me, and I can resolve the problems. Right?
Thank you once again for your time.
Thank you so much, guys, for hearing me out, and we can totally discuss on any doubts if you have. Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
Ansh. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.